You guys want to see something really interesting? Check that out. American Chinook carrier aircraft at the what used to be controlled by the Americans is now under the control of the Taliban after the Americans left, ending their 20-year presence here. And what they left behind here was stuff like this. Also, they're getting their pictures taken in front of the choppers, and this is what the Americans did with the aircraft that they couldn't take with them. Yeah. Why would they do that? I don't know. These guys don't know. But we'll make a video of this and we'll be with you guys shortly.